Do you want a 3D image of yourself generated by AI? So this is the video. Here I'll tell you that how to make this video. It will take around 15 to 20 seconds to generate the images just like this, yes, this. And if you don't want this one, I don't like it, then you can select multiple times. If you do multiple times, you will get a different result. So come on, I'll tell you how to do this. Till then, you like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel. And you will find everything in the description. Okay? Right now I'll tell you what to do. Just install the Gemini AI. In majority of the Android phones you have Gemini AI. And if you don't have, just download it. And even though it is same in App Store as well, which means iPhone and PC also same. You just need to open the Gemini AI first. And the most important thing is, you just need to copy the prompt over here. You follow the prompt. You can find it in description. Just copy the prompt and select the picture as you can see here. Go and select the image which you want to. Just now I have selected and paste it. The prompt which is in the description, and just wait for a while. It will take around 10 to 15 seconds, and the maximum is 30 seconds it will take. Yeah, you can see I have generated now multiple times. It will take around less than 20 seconds. So if you don't like this one, just do it multiple times. You'll get a different scenario. I have done that same multiple times, and I have got the multiple results. It's just took another second. Let's wait. I have got the result in just less than 30 seconds. I have got the result. Just before that, I have done 2 times, 3 times, multiple times. I have done with the same pic and different. I have got the different result. So in the upcoming next video, I will tell you how to do it with a video, how it will generate video. Till then, you like, comment, and share, subscribe to my channel. See you in my next vlog. Next video. Take care.